Behold my early 2000s chunky costume jewelry that I actually wore out and about in the world. My daughter loves this, but it's broken. She broke it, not me. So I'm gonna fix it. I didn't even realize that I could fix it with something as simple as what this company just sent me to try out. Look at how beautiful this is. Not just the box, but this adorable velvet pouch. Very soft, very demure, very mindful, and it says lucky. So let's open it up, and inside here are these clasps. I got one in silver and one in gold. This is specifically a double clasp. So this is a really cool necklace clasp because it is magnetic and it just pulls apart like that. Really strong magnet too though. Like it won't fall off of your neck. I'm pulling quite hard. Oh, like really hard. It has these pins and pinholes. So it's not just a flat magnet that can slide back and forth. Like once it's on here, it's kind of locked into place with those pins. It turns out it's hard to pry the ring of this apart. So the chain on my necklace is actually cheaper, much weaker than these. So I'm prying these apart instead. And now I'm ready to just loop this through here. Do we see this? Look at that. It's perfect. Now I just have to clasp this on to the other side. It's done and it took me like 5 minutes. Not even. The only trouble I'm having right now is that the necklace I have magnetizes to it. So I have to just clear it out of the way first before I snap it together. But look at that. Oh, that is really strong. To undo it, pretend you're just breaking it like that. Just kind of bend it. And it comes right off. Let's put it on. Oh my gosh. So much easier than having to double clasp or single clasp anything. My daughter will be able to take these necklaces on and off without any trouble. She's 5 years old, so she can just do this. But this is really cool.